everybody? Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1975 Chevy Corvette. Now, what's really nice about this car is not only is it a Corvette, but this is the Corvette that has just enough room for your legs. We're going into our little Corvette we have here. She has a bright yellow exterior with a black interior. As for the exterior, you also see that it has the rally style wheels. Also has that weird looking guard in the back. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's on the back there. They're going for the interior. You can see they have a smaller 3-spoke wheel, automatic on the floor. As you see, our speedometer as well as our tach is working. They added some aftermarket gauges to there, which are more accurate. Got a Kenwood audio sound system. Now going underneath the hood, it does have an L82 small block Chevy. Some of the modifications they have done is it does now have a chrome intake, has fuel injected. That's why you can see that little screen right there. It tells you so you don't pump it, you actually just turn it and it'll do it for you. And it has vintage AC to keep you nice and cool. Now as we make this turn here, we'll open her up a little bit so you can hear the sound. Very healthy, shifts very good. You can definitely say it keeps up with modern traffic. Wheels not even shaking. It's actually a very smooth cruiser. Turning range is actually pretty good as well. Now before we end our video here, we'll give you a little bit of a brake test just to show you our performance of brakes. Brakes are pretty good. She can pass any inspection test. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned.